Today's lesson is about finding the equation of a tangent to a circle. Now first we need to look at some vocabulary. We already know that the radius is from the center to the circumference, and the tangent is a line that touches the circle, and we know in a theorem that the radius is perpendicular on a tangent at the contact point. Furthermore, if a line cuts through a circle, it's called a secant. Okay. Now to find the equation of a tangent, you do 4 steps. I'll give you time to copy. The first thing is you determine the center of the circle. Then you determine the gradient of the radius. With that, you determine the gradient of the tangent. And then you get the equation of the tangent. Okay, this is not on your notes, so you can quickly copy it. Quiet, please. Can I carry on? You have to copy quickly. let's look at an example. Find the equation of a tangent to the circle, and they give you the equation of the circle at point -7, -1. So our tangent is here at -7, -1. The first step is to get the center of the circle. And in our case, it's the origin, so it's 0, 0. Then we need to get the gradient of the radius. Now, if that is our radius, we are going to use these two coordinates in our gradient formula. It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's make this x1, y1, x2, y2. Then it will be 0 minus -1, so it's a +1, over x2 is 0 minus -7, so it's a +7. And we get that the radius gradient is 1/7. Number 3, the third step, we have to get the radius of the tangent. Now we know that the radius is perpendicular on the tangent. So if the radius's gradient is a 7th, the tangent's gradient will be tip and flip. Negative, so the m of the tangent equals -7. Why? Because the radius perpendicular on tangent. And then number 4, we need to get the equation of the tangent. So we use this formula, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And we're going to use this coordinate, -7, -1, as our x1 and our y1. And we're going to use the m as -7. Now we just substitute everything. Y minus y1 is -1, so it's a +1, equals m is